really important for us to win our first conference games. We've been doing really well in non-conference, and I think it was really important for the team to get that first win and then build on from there.
Yeah, we definitely would have liked to have gotten it earlier, but to get that one done on the road against a tough, scrappy St. Peter's team was really important, so hopefully we can add a few more to it.
This trip was always a fun trip. You get to play 2 games on the road, you stay at the same hotel every time, and you just get close as a team on and off the court.
Well, Buffalo is really important for us. They're both, in my view, they're 50-50 games. Niagara's playing really well right now. Canisius can put up a lot of points, so we definitely have our work cut out for us with both games, and it's just good to get back on the court and actually have a chance to practice. We've had so many games, we haven't had much time to really just practice and worry about us, so just looking forward to getting out and working towards those 2 games this weekend.
I don't know if we play better on the road, but we play with a chip on our shoulder in every game, and on the road we don't have all the people we normally have in the stands cheering for us, so we know we have to put in an extra effort to win the games.
They're really tough. I mean, they just went into Fairfield and got a win on the road and are playing really well. McGinnis can really shoot the ball for them. They have really good pieces to the puzzle, so it's going to take a really great effort for us to compete in this game.